Okay, hello everyone. How are you? This is Kay. Great to see you again. Today is the 13th of February 2024 and this is on Tuesday. So how are you everyone? How's it going? Great to see you again. This is live stream. So today looks like lots of markets trending right now. There are some major breakouts, major support resistance breakouts. So I have selected some of the pairs to talk about today. So let me switch the screen and get into analysis. Okay, before that, GTS in April 2024 is now open. So if you're interested, please let me know by email so I can give you some details. Okay, let's see. Hello principals, good to see you, and Vic, and Samar, and James on my way, and Kong, and everyone, good to see you here today. Okay, so now let me switch trading view. So as far as I see the markets right now, I've seen Euro USD trending because it broke the support level on a daily time frame, and Euro Pound also is breaking the support as well. Euro Swiss franc is also trending up. It broke the resistance and the Kumo on the daily time frame. And Pound JPY is also bullish. It broke the resistance level as well. And it's heading towards the 190 level. And Pound Swiss franc is also bullish. It broke the descending trend line on the daily, so it's bullish. And the USDJPY is also bullish. It's heading towards 151 level. And USD Swiss franc is also bullish. It broke the resistance level as well. So we have lots of trending markets right now. And also, AUD USD is trending down. It's breaking the support. And this is within the P wave, like I mentioned on the weekly Sunday's forecast. So it broke the support level, and I think most likely the market goes down to the lower part of the P wave. And also CADJPY is bullish. It's breaking the resistance as well, and it's heading towards 112 price JPY. And CAD Swiss franc is also bullish, and it's reaching to the next resistance, which is 0.66 level. So we have lots of movements in the market. And these are by the news today. So if you see these big moves among the markets, then what I usually do is that I check the strength chart. You know the currency strength chart? The link, you can find the link on the below description also, and you can check the strengths of each currency. Because if you see these markets trending at the same time, you may wonder which one's strong, which one's weak at the moment. So to have a good idea of the strengths of each currency, I check the strength chart. So if you click the link on the below description, then you can actually find this kind of chart. This is accessible for free for anyone. So just feel free to access to this website. And now, at the moment, now USD, the orange USD is the strongest. And weakest is the Swiss franc. In New Zealand, I don't trade New Zealand, but New Zealand currency is also the weakest. And second weakest is AUD, the blue AUD, and second strongest is a pound, GBP. So now at the moment, USD and GBP are strong today, and AUD, Swiss franc, and New Zealand are weak. And other currencies are in the middle of this chart. So basically, these moves are caused by the strong USD or pound or weak AUD, Swiss franc, and New Zealand. So this is how I check the strength chart. when I see these big moves among the markets first. So looks like in terms of the currency strengths, looks like the best pair, I mean the most volatile market is USD and Swiss franc. Okay, and let's check the USD Swiss franc and see what's happening right now. And that's this one. So again, USD Swiss franc is breaking the resistance of 0.8821, and this is the strongest among the forex pairs on my watch list right now. So if I can enter trade on this one, then the market can go towards my direction smoothly, and I may be able to make profit in a short term. So that's how I select, one of the ways to select the market. So again, we have lots of trending markets. So let's get deeper analysis on each pair in lower time frames, in higher time frames also. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Alpar, thanks for joining. Good to see you. And Michael, good to see you. And Key also, good evening. Thank you very much for joining. And Samar says, joining GTS in January 2024 was my best trading decision. I advise you to all join K and learn how to trade. Oh, thank you very much, Samar, for your words. Thank you very much. Yeah, you are in the GTS class right now in January course. And it looks like we have lots of trending markets. So yeah, let's see. So basically in the GTS class, I teach not only how to enter, exit, but also risk management and psychology management as well, which are the most important in the market, in trading. So yeah, thank you very much for the comment, and best wishes on your success in trading in life as well. All right, Anis, good to see you. Thank you very much for joining. And Azemi, good to see you too. Riyad says, hi Kay, I did a win trade on XAU. CPI news 95 pips bias was based on Ichimoku analysis, was bearish in higher time frames. Right. XAU and right, I've seen the gold is now bearish. It's breaking the support level too. So yeah, gold is bullish, and the crypto seems to be bullish also. Sorry, gold is bearish. Let me quickly check. Yeah, gold is now bearish. It's breaking the support. The support level now is 2002, and it's about to be broken. So seems like gold may go down from today and onwards. Yeah, and I took a look at BTC USD as well. I don't trade cryptos, but just my analysis, it broke the 49,000 and it's heading towards 52,000 now. So Bitcoin is now bullish as well. So coming back to Forex pairs, let me analyze the other markets. So we know that the strongest is USD Swiss franc, but if I see this Kumo, so I use Ichimoku Kinko-hyo, as you may know already, and I look at the Kumo shape. And Kumo shape on USD Swiss franc is small on the daily time frame. But if you look at the Euro USD, for example, Kumo is bigger than USD Swiss franc. So that means Euro USD has more stable downtrend than USD Swiss franc. So in terms of Kumo, in terms of Ichimoku analysis, Euro USD looks better than USD Swiss franc. So let me check daily time frame today and see which one looks the best among these trending markets. So let's see. So Euro Pound looks also very good. The Kumo shape is much bigger than Euro USD on the daily time frame. So it broke the support and it's going down now. I think it goes down to 0.8490 and it may reach it today. And yeah, since the Kumo is very thick, the market can break the support 0.8490 and continues bearish. I just see that since the last Kijun-sen breakout or Kijun-sen touch, the market may have been more than 26 below the Kijun-sen. So let me just in case check. This is here on the day of the 5th of January was when the market touched the Kijun-sen last time on the daily time frame. So ever since, it has been 28 bars, 28 trading days below Kijun-sen. So usually, in average, the market retraces Kijun-sen in 26 candles. So that means either the market retraces from here or market touches 0.8490 and retrace. Then touch Kijun-sen retrace, then may go down continuously. So we have to watch out on the retracement on Euro Pound from this Kijun-sen retracement viewpoint. Chikou span has been below the candles. Ever since Chikou span breakout happened, it's bearish. So yeah, that's one thing to note on Euro Pound. And Euro Swiss franc, this market broke the Kumo, broke the resistance. However, this market is also a bit tricky, I think, because the Kumo is not twisted yet. When the Kumo is not twisted yet, this means that this is not a bullish trend yet. So, like I mentioned on the weekly Sunday's forecast, this market has been resisted by the descending trend line. So I think the price goes up to the trend line, then goes down. And if so, then we can expect the pips of, let's see, pips of 40 or 50 pips to trade, to take profit. Then you better exit there, then retrace. So yeah, Euro Swiss franc, since Kumo is not twisted yet, it may be a bit risky to trade on this one, although it's breaking the resistance. Okay, next one is Pound JPY. Pound JPY looks very good because Kumo has been bullish so far and it's breaking the resistance as well, 188.97. And now it's heading towards 190 price level. So this is one of the good pairs to trade. And for Pound JPY, there is a resistance. The previous resistance level was very high. The previous resistance is actually coming all the way back in 2015. There was a high here on 195.29. So between 188.97 to 195.29, there is no resistances in between. So that means once it breaks that level, once it breaks 188.97, then this can be a good pair, one of the best pairs to trade, I think. And it did break today. So it broke the resistance level today. So I think Pound JPY is one of the best pairs to trade. And Kumo is not too thin. Kumo has been bullish, up. Kijun-sen is also up. Tenkan-sen is up. Chikou span above the candles. Yeah, from Chikou span viewpoint, yeah, I don't really see any significance from Chikou span strategy. It's only the market is just breaking the resistance also on the Chikou span. And the price is also above the Tenkan-sen. So that means this is a strong bullish trend. And so it broke the 2 pin bars for the last 2 days, and now it's bullish. So this is good now to trade. So I mark, let's say I mark light blue, as this seems to be one of the best pairs to trade so far. And next is pound Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc is really strong, but this market is near the resistance, 1.1156, and also this Kumo is still very small. Senko span B is flat, Senko span A is up. Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen both up, but the angle of the Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen are really steep. And Senko span A is also very steep. Because Senko span A is the mid price of Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, and it's shifted 26 candles to the future. So that's why Senko span A is also very strong. So this means that this market is overbought. So most likely the market will be resisted by 1.1156 and retrace or consolidate. So pound Swiss franc is bullish, but this may not be the best pair to trade. So that's pound Swiss franc. And USDJPY is also bullish. This one is also nice. It's bullish. Kumo is up now. Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen both bullish. Chikou span above the candles. And for this one, I think I thought I was seeing the weekly resistance, but looks like it's not. So yeah, for now, this one is, the target is 151. The round number, 151, will be the next target. So it's really strong. So yeah, USDJPY is also one of the good pair to trade, so I mark light blue also on this one. Yeah, now, right. It broke, just like pound JPY, the market broke the 2 dojis for the last 2 days, and due to the news today, it's really strongly bullish. Okay, and also, let me see, USD Swiss franc is bullish too, but the Kumo is very small, smaller than other markets. And it's breaking the resistance of 0.8821, but it may retrace, right, because of the Kumo shape. And also Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen are very steep. So it looks like this is overbought. And this is not at the moment best pair to trade right now. Yeah, so let's see. Let me check other markets. Next one is AUD-USD. AUD-USD looks good. So this is again within the P wave in a bigger picture. Like I mentioned on the Sunday's weekly forecast, the P wave, the market's within the P wave, and now it's going down. So I said it's bearish, and today it's breaking the support, and now Kumo is bearish, Kijun Sen is bearish, Tenkan Sen is bearish also, and Chikou span below the candles. However, Kijun Sen is still within the Kumo, so that means this breakout may be fake. It may not break. So for AUD-USD, it's better to wait for the candlestick close today. And if it closes below the support level of 0.6466, then from tomorrow onwards, you can look for the selling opportunity. But I think this market goes bearish continuously. Yeah, so there is, let's see. Yeah, Chikou span breakout was also significant here. And this is also head and shoulders. In the neckline breakout, the neckline was 0.6535 area. So after the breakout of the neckline, the market was resisted by the neckline and goes bearish. So in terms of the price action, AUD/USD is also bearish. But again, since Kijun Sen is within the Kumo, it may not close below the support today, so it may consolidate still. And finally, goes bearish. So in that sense, I think today is not a good day to trade AUD/USD to sell. So let's wait for the breakout of the support on this one. And also another trending market is CAD/JPY. So CAD/JPY also looks good. So I mark this light blue also because the Kumo shape is bigger than other markets. And Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen both bullish and Chikou span above the candlestick. And yeah, it's breaking the resistance as well, but because CAD currency strength is not that strong today, it's a bit consolidating than other JPY pairs, looks like. Again, if you check the strengths of today, then USD and pound are strong, but CAD purple, CAD is now a bit retracing. Euro is also retracing. So Euro JPY and CAD JPY are now consolidating, but Pound JPY and USD JPY are still bullish. You can also tell by the strength chart situation. So again, CAD JPY is now consolidating, looks like. So although Kumos look thick, because of this weak bullishness, I think we better focus on Pound JPY or USD JPY today so far. Yeah, but it's nice to watch. From tomorrow, it may go bullish and it's heading towards 112. So we have about 100 pips to trade, so that's good. So that's CAD JPY. From Chikou span viewpoint, I don't really see any significant move. So yeah, I think the market just broke the resistance, this resistance area bullish, and that was just significant. So yeah, let me see. Let me finally check CAD Swiss franc. So CAD Swiss franc is also bullish because it broke the resistance, but again the Kumo shape is a bit too thin, and Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen both pointing up with a steep angle. So looks like this is overbought. So looks like Swiss franc pairs are bullish, but they look overbought because of this Kumo shape and Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen angles. But yeah, CAD Swiss franc is bullish, so from tomorrow it may consolidate, and as it consolidates, the Senko span B become flat, Senko span A may continue bullish, and once it breaks the inside maybe, then I think it reaches 0.66, the next target. So yeah, I think we better not jump in CAD Swiss franc today. So yeah, so that was my analysis on these Forex pairs. So again, so far looks like Pound JPY is good and USD JPY is also good to monitor and trade maybe. Okay, let me see. Hello, Gamerstone, good to see you. And Rohit, thank you for joining as well. And Morad Beza, good to see you too. Thank you very much. Okay, Summer says, hi Kay, can we expect Kijunsen retracement on Pound JPY? Pound JPY, let's see. Right, so since the price has been above the Kijunsen for more than 26 candles, yeah, retracement can be possible. Right. So you can enter trade on this one today still, but if you keep the proper risk management, then you just exit your trade with a small drawdown, and you are safe. But it may continue bullish to 190 or breaks and goes bullish still because the Kumo is still thick. So in this case, you don't really have to care so much about the Kijunsen retracement, especially since Kijunsen is still bullish. I think the market continues bullish, and same is true on USDJPY. This one is also bullish. Okay, Winstock says, could you please give your opinion on the following settings of Ichimoku 9, 17, 26, 26. Many thanks. I am not sure about that setting. I use my Ichimoku settings as default. Conversion line 9, baseline 26, lagging span 52, displacement 26. This is my setting. Yeah, I have been trying so many settings of Ichimoku before when I was newbie, and I gave up. I was even using like 2 Kumos on the same chart, or Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen displacement, or even replacing Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen to moving averages, or delete the Chikou span. I tried so many things in different settings, but I found the original works the best. And if you change the settings of Ichimoku, then you cannot use some of the Ichimoku strategies. So it's better to stick to the original because it works. Okay, hello Jawan, good to see you. At work right now, but just wanted to drop in and say I appreciate everything you do. My goal is closer and closer, thank you. Oh, that's great to hear. Thank you so much for stopping by and saying hi. Good to see you. Okay, Ko says, hi Kay, based on previous 26 candlesticks, sometimes you can know the future direction of Kijun-sen. Do you wait or enter trade if got all confirmations on lower time frames? Yes, you can tell the future Kijun-sen angles by calculation. You can predict it by calculation, but I do wait. I do wait for the Kijun-sen angle to be valid, or Kijun-sen angle happens on the next candlestick, then look for entry opportunities. Yeah. Okay, Tiffany says USCCAD. USCCAD, I think, is now range. This is still within the Kumo and still below the resistance 1.3540. So it's still range to me. Yeah. Yeah, I think I've checked all the other markets. Euro JPY is still range below the resistance, and Euro CAD is also consolidating today. It broke the support, so in the long term this is bearish, but Kumo Kijun-sen are flat right now, so I didn't mark on this one. And also Euro AUD seems to be range also, not a good market to trade today. Pound USD is also consolidating within the Kumo, not a good market either. Pound CAD is also range, so everything that I didn't mark are range. Well, Pound AUD looks good, but I think I mentioned this on the weekly forecast, that this is Y wave. Y wave is higher highs and lower lows. So when you see Y wave, then seems like it's breaking the resistance now, but this breakout can be fake. It may be resisted and retrace. So that's why I didn't mark pound AUD. This is not a good market to trade right now. You see, Y wave is always tricky. Whenever I say Y wave, I don't really trade. Yeah, I'm talking about the Y wave on the weekly time frame, like this. So yeah, seems like it's breaking the resistance, but watch out. Yeah, you see CAD's range below the resistance, on the resistance now. AUDJPY's range, AUD-CAD is also range, and AUD Swiss franc is also range. This is, I think, descending P wave. Descending P wave. So yeah, for now I think it's bullish in the short term, but I don't buy. I don't buy because we never know how long it takes for this market to touch the P wave resistance. It may take 5 days, it may take 1 week, 1 month, we never know. It may go sideways and touch the P wave, then goes bearish also, because it's range. Because Kumo Kijun Sen, Kumo is flat, Kijun Sen Tenkan Sen up, but this is not trustable. Chikou span touching, so to me this is range. And finally, Swiss franc JPY has been range also on the daily time frame. This is very choppy market, so better to stay away. Yeah, okay, yeah, let me check gold as requested. So gold is now breaking the support, and this is turning bearish now. So yeah, it's breaking the resistance, the support level of 2002.04. So first, if I check the weekly time frame, now Kijun Sen flat. So the target is on the weekly Kijun Sen, which is 1979.30. Yeah, so let me draw my down arrow like this, so that we can remember my analysis. So it's bearish, right? And with that in mind, again, if you check the daily time frame, then there is a support level here, and this was actually kind of like a descending P wave also, and it broke bearish. I mean, it's breaking the support. I say it's breaking because it's not closed yet. This is a daily time frame, and this candlestick will close in 7 hours and 22 minutes. So we have to check the chart tomorrow. If it closes below 2002.04, then I think the market continues bearish from tomorrow. But if it closes above the support, then I think the market consolidates or retrace. So watch out on the candlestick close today on gold. So yeah, that's the analysis. Okay, hello John, good to see you. Name says markets are relatively quiet until major USD news in last couple of hours. Right. Yeah, so in terms of the news, right, let me also double check on the news. So let me click on today and click apply. So we had news in New Zealand and also UK, Switzerland. They impacted the market very much. At the news, pound was bought and Swiss franc was sold. And also there was CPI in the US, and it impacted the market very much, right? So the result was positive. So that's why USD was bought in theory. And you can tell from the strength chart that when the CPI released, USD was bought this much, so huge. So yeah, now gold is going down because of that. So yeah, coming back to Forex now. Right. Riyadh mentions gold may goes to weekly Kijun-sen. Yep, exactly. This is called Kijun-sen retracement. Kijun-sen retracement strategy. So when Kijun-sen flat, the market tends to be attracted to Kijun-sen. Sorry, there was someone outside. It was so scary. Maybe some maintenance guy out in the window. I heard some noise, it's like, what? So dark. Okay, anyways, sorry. Yeah, Kijun-sen retracement is now happening. So that's one thing. Let me check the daily and also 4-hour time frame. Okay, so 4-hour is now showing outside bar breakout. Outside. So outside bar breakout is where this big blue bearish bars high and low, including the previous candlesticks. So this structure is called outside bar, outside. And right now, it's breaking bearish. So if it closes like this within the next 3 hours and 19 minutes, then most likely the daily closes below the support. And from tomorrow, or even within today, I think the market goes down, start to go down continuously to 1979.30. So yeah, gold seems to be now bearish. So yeah, that's also a good market to trade right now. Okay, let me see. Con says Pound JPY 5-minute Y wave. Okay, let me check. So Pound JPY is again bullish on the daily and also bullish up in 4 hour and also up in 1 hour. Kumo's getting thinner, so it may retrace, and now we have a big outside and inside. So most likely when I see this outside inside bar, I think the market consolidates for the next couple of hours is in my head. So yeah, it was, I think, due to news, right? CPI affected this market as well. So it just went up and down and had a big bar. Right. So we better wait for the breakout of 189.64, then target 190. So yeah, let me check 5-minute time frame. Y wave on the 5-minute. Let me see. Let me just cancel Ichimoku. Oh yeah, 5-minute also has a big bar at the CPI in the US today. And technically this is not the Y wave. This is more like an N wave, but within the huge bar, huge outside and inside. So yeah, again, usually when this kind of thing happen, the market continues range until it breaks either direction. And most likely, I think it breaks bullish because higher time frame is not bullish still. And buyers are still dominant over sellers. So yeah, I think it's bullish still. So how I enter trade is I use the Bollinger Bands and stochastic, and also I look at the price action to enter trades. So if you're new to my YouTube, then you can come to my web page from the below description and hover over on free download and click on KTS, Case Trading Strategy. And once you access this web page, then you can find the free PDF to download that explain my strategy by clicking here download button, and also you can find the series of videos about my strategy, like how I enter trade, how I capture trend, and how to identify trending market, how to confirm the trending market, and entry strategy, exit strategy, and also the concept of the head and the tail of the fish that I usually say, and stop loss, break-even timing, entry, trading profits, and exit with non-losing strategy. So you can find series of videos like this, so please feel free to access and check the videos. These are still kind of introduction of my strategy, but you will have a bigger picture of how I analyze and take trades and exit my trades. So yeah, please access to here and feel free to watch those videos. Wow, now it's got over 23,000 downloads on this PDF. Thank you very much, that's amazing. Okay, so yeah, again, how I enter trade is by usually I take the 5-minute and I use a Bollinger Band as stochastic. Now I see stochastic gold cross is happening, and Bollinger Band is showing band walking, and I can kind of see that the market is, after this big news, the market's kind of losing the momentum. It's bullish, but it becomes more spiky than the previous, than before the news. So for now, I think I just monitor the chart and see if it breaks the resistance. I think it's safer to trade when it breaks that resistance to buy. Yeah. Let's see. D Printix says, will there be a Kijun-sen retracement on CAD JPY? Yeah, it may be. It may retrace, but you can still follow a bullish trend. Yeah, CAD-JPY is also above Kijun-sen, more than 26 candles, but yeah, it can continue bullish. So for now, you don't have to care. But when Kijun-sen becomes flat on Pound JPY or USD JPY or CAD JPY, then the market starts to retrace. The market may start to retrace to Kijun-sen on the daily time frame. Brinkland says, hi Kay, how and why did you choose the Forex crosses that you have in your chart? Oh yeah, so I have these 21 pairs on my watch list, but at first I was only trading USD JPY because I studied in the US and I was born and grew up in Japan, so I was familiar with the economy on both USD and JPY. And also, most of the traders in Japan in Forex are trading USD JPY. So I was able to refer to many sources of information on USD JPY, and that's why I started to trade this one only. Then I started to see patterns of win, patterns of losses on USD JPY. Then I've added pound or euro. So I was trading euro JPY, USD JPY, and euro USD. I got 3 pairs. Then I've added pound. Then also AUD and CAD and Swiss franc. Then I have these watch lists. That's how I selected these markets. And also, I have back tested it, my strategy, by using the software called Forex Tester. And I have tested all these markets manually 100 times. I executed 100 trades, exited 100 trades, and I saw my performance to be well. And that's also the reason why they are here. For example, New Zealand pairs, when I backtested it, my performance was much lower than these pairs. And that's why they are not here. So yeah, if you're new to Forex, or if you still don't know which one to choose to trade, then just pick one first. Just pick one and focus on that one mainly first. Then you can add one currency and you have 3 currencies then. So you can start to check 3 pairs. Then expand your list of the pairs. Okay, all right, let's see. Emridul says, good evening, sir. I am your big fan, big follower. What about Euro USD today? Right, Euro USD is now going down. It's bearish. Yeah, it's breaking the support and now it's bearish. Okay, yeah, so looks like again, Pound JPY is heading towards the resistance on the 5-minute, which I'm waiting for. And also, USD JPY is, this is also very aggressive on the 5-minute at the news, today's CPI. And after this, looks like it's consolidating. So I'm still waiting for the breakout also. And CAD JPY, 5-minute is now retracing. This one is also having big inside and outside. So CAD JPY may not be tradable because I don't think the market breaks bullish. Again, CAD JPY is bullish in higher time frames. So I want to buy on this one, then sell. But after the news, it started to retrace and now it's consolidating. So CAD JPY may not be tradable. So I think among the JPY pairs, Pound JPY looks the best because it's building up the buy positions and it's heading towards the resistance. But again, USD JPY 5-minute seems to be overbought. So it jumped up at the news. Then still it's bullish, but yeah, this seems to be overbought. So the market may retrace anytime after the breakout. So yeah, Pound JPY looks the best to me so far. Okay, Riyadh says the money management book is free. Oh, this so recently I wrote the book of money management, and this one is available among my communities, either GTS or KTS Academy. Yeah, I wrote this book for the community members to master the importance of the risk management. So yeah, it took me 6 months to write this one. So I hope you receive it and study the importance of the risk management. Okay, so now it's been about 1 hour and I have another appointment soon, so I will finish the live. But thank you very much for joining today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And yeah, so looks like the markets are active at the news today. Thankfully, they are not retracing anymore. So we can focus on the markets and check charts at least once per day and look for opportunities. I think now it's time to be active in trading. So, which is a good news, finally. So again, thank you very much for joining, everyone. If you liked the live stream, please press the like button before you leave, and please subscribe, because my goal for this channel is now to achieve 100K subscribers. So if you can help, that would be great. Okay, so please have a great day, and until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, stay gold. Okay, bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you very much.